On our recent visit to Fort Wilderness, a little birdie told me a few things. I'm Nikki, and this is NixPix. First, as you know, Trails Inn Restaurant has always been known for their great buffet. But since Disney has reopened during the pandemic, this area has only been used for mobile pickup. Also at this time, all the shows had been canceled. The Hoop-Dee-Doo Revue, one of the longest running shows in Walt Disney World, has been rumored to be canceled. In reading an article by Inside of the Magic, they state that around May of 2021 that new permits were filed to do construction on Pioneer Hall. It is their belief that these were to do upgrades for social distancing and that perhaps the Hoop-Dee-Doo Revue may return. As I have just come back from the parks, I can tell you that all social distancing has been removed, and I also was able to see the Lion King show over in Animal Kingdom where they sat at full capacity. So I don't believe that to be true. Along with some information that I have that the buffet at Trails Inn Restaurant will not return. Instead, they will be going to a Ohana style serving where they will bring the food to you at your table. With this information, I see it a very easy construction to create a new dining experience here at Fort Wilderness, as this door is really the only thing that separates the two restaurants. Another change that has bothered me during this whole time is where the construction was for the old Clementines Beach and the construction of the new Clementines Beach. The old Clementine Sign was spelled with an E, and the new Clementine Sign was spelled with an I. So I've been very curious, was this a mistake, or was this planned on purpose? So do you happen to know why they changed the spelling of the beach?
Oh, that used to be Clementines Beach.
Yeah.
And since they're building that new hotel, they changed this one to Clementines. It might be just whoever made the new sign.
So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Did they do it on purpose, or has it really been up there for a year and a half as an accident?
Probably as an accident. I'm going to guess that whoever was told to make the new sign, that's the way he spelled it.
Okay.
Yep.
I also tried to get some footage of the testing of the fireworks. However, I was just a bit too late for that. But the fireworks will return on July 1st. That's probably just thunder.
That's thunder.
Yeah, that's thunder, but we heard fireworks, and you can clearly see all the smoke. Please make sure to hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to leave a comment, visit my t-shirt shop and my social media links, and we'll see you real soon.